so today is Thursday and I'm in St. Louis right now. I got here yesterday and I thought I'd be able to film like way more than I have. So I'm sorry, I honestly have been so busy. I've been in a meeting the entire day. As soon as I got here last night, I went to a dinner with everybody and then I went to a meeting this entire day from when I woke up until right now. I came up to my room and changed and we're about to go out to a dinner again. And I'm here with a brand. I can't see what I'm doing. I know that's so annoying. I'm so sorry, but I thought I'd be able to film a lot more than I have. So I'm a little bummed about that. But after this dinner, I'm so tired. I just want to come back up here and I might get a purse online for my birthday. So I might do that with you guys if I end up purchasing it. I think I'm going to. And I have a really messy hotel room behind me. Hopefully you can't see all the mess. It's just been, I think I seriously have spent like 5 seconds in this room. It's been really, really busy, and then we have a half day tomorrow and then I go home and I'm so excited to go home and sleep in my own bed. Yeah, I'm just really, really looking forward to that. Hi guys, today is Saturday and I'm home from my trip. I'm so happy to be home. Flying alone is so weird. I feel bad for people that like fly like every week for work by themselves. I can't imagine having to do that all the time because it's just weird and lonely. But anyways, I'm so happy to be home and we're going to do flower boxes today for the outside of the house. I've always wanted flower boxes on my house, so I'm really excited about that. And it's just like a home day. I said to Chad, like, I don't even want to leave the house today. We went to Home Depot this morning for like flower box stuff and I'm like, I just want to be home. The birds are chirping. It's like high 70s. It's really nice weather. I'm going to put on a tank top because it was like 60 this morning, so I wanted something like that had sleeves on it. But yeah, I'm just really happy to be home and back on schedule and working on stuff around the house. I also got a few things in from the Grove Collaborative program. So many of you guys have been telling me to sign up, so hopefully I have an offer for you. If I do, it will be in the description box of this video. But I got a bunch of things to test out, and the first thing is a dish soap. This is the peony scent. I love the peony scent, so I'm really excited about that guy. I also have a hand soap. This is the lemon verbena. I have a hand lotion that is in the same scent. And then I have this sponge thing here. I thought this was so cute and so nice looking. So I'm excited about that guy. And then there's a few more things I'll show you on the table. So these things are also from them. There are a bunch of chef towels, like a stack of towels. This is the packaging for the scrubby that I showed you. It comes like this. And the Flawless Fake Bake is from something else from Amazon. That's just like self-tanner that I like. That came way late. I wanted this for my trip, but it came in like the day that I left, so that obviously is not from them. And then I also got an antibacterial soap, just like a surface spray, and then floor cleaner that looks like this. And this guy is the last thing that I got. And here are the beautiful roses I got from Chad for my birthday. And he got me a card and he put a $10 bill in it, and I said to him, like, why is there money in this card from you? But he said, what's a card without some money in it? So I thought that was really funny. I think I said already that we went to Home Depot this morning, so I don't know how Chad did it, but he just like whipped these flower boxes together in no time. And I posted on Instagram story a photo of the shopping cart. I told you guys what we were doing, and a few of you asked if I would show you how he did it. So he just put the 4 sides together, and it actually is open in the bottom, and then it's just sitting on top. And that way it's like free flowing for water. It won't get trapped inside and like start to rot away or anything like that. And obviously it's a little bit short, but I think once the flowers start to grow, that will hide itself. If we have to put something else there, then we will, but I think it'll be fine. And it also, I think it'll hide on the front as soon as like the flowers start to grow and fall over it. And yeah, that's what we have going so far. Here are the finished flower boxes, guys. I love them. I think they look so good. I can't wait for a few weeks from now when the flowers are like super full and pretty, but that's where we're at.
I got chicken cheese dog. Does she want just a regular plain hot dog? I know.
With your credit card or cash. This is so cool.
First, I need to pause that. I'm watching It's Judy's Life. I watch them every day. And here's what I have so far. So I have some tomatoes, cilantro, and onion, part of an old avocado. I need to use that up. A bunch of fresh ones over here. And I also would have jalapeno, but we don't have any of that right now. And then with cilantro, I always like to leave some stems in because I think it's really good that way. So I'm going to just throw everything in here and mix it up. Salt, pepper, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It never focuses right away. So I put some tahini in. I've never put that in guacamole, but that I try it. And then I did put in some garlic powder. I typically would use fresh garlic too, but we don't have any. And then just salt and pepper. Right now I'm just doing a little bit of a mash with the avocado. I still like having some pieces in there, but I just like to have a little bit of a mash first before I put in the rest of the ingredients. And then I'm just going to put all of these in at the same time and do a little more of a mix. And there we go. I just saved some cilantro to put on top. I did squeeze in fresh lime. I forgot to say that, but I think I showed it to you. And that's it. Strawberry halo top, you guys, is so good. I typically wouldn't pick strawberry. It's just like simple and plain, but I tried this and I like am so obsessed with it. It's really good. We eat way too much halo top, if I'm being totally honest, but if you haven't tried the strawberry, definitely try it. It's Friday today. I'm so happy that it's finally Friday. I feel like the week flies by every week, but for some reason this week it was like the slowest week ever, so I'm just like really ready for the weekend. And I went to Target. I'm going to show you guys a couple of things. I posted a photo on Instagram and a few of you asked about the bowl in the background. You guys are not going to believe that it's from Target. I'm like really excited about it right now. It's like one of my favorite house things that I've got recently, so I'm going to link it if I can, but I'm just like obsessed. So let me stop rambling and show you. Okay, there is a papaya. Is that a papaya? There's something big in it, but this is what it looks like. I can't believe that it's from Target. Like, seeing this, I feel like it looks so nice. This was only, I think, $16.99. Actually, there's probably a price tag on it. Yeah, it's from the Opal House collection. And is it ever gonna focus? $16.99, and it says it's hand painted. It is so pretty for size comparison. Let me like put it in front of this thing. So it isn't like huge, but it isn't like a single size serving bowl. It's like right in the middle. And I just thought this was so beautiful. It looks so pretty just like sitting out on the counter. Like, I put it right there, sitting right by those flowers. And I don't know why Chad just hid the pretty print with this big thing, but I can't get over that. If I can find a link for it, I definitely will have it, because it's just so simple and so pretty, and the price point is great. Whenever I'm shopping, I try and picture everything in my house, which is like so obvious. I feel like a lot of you are probably thinking like, yeah, duh, we all do. But like, from the second I see things, I try and picture it in my house. It's not like, oh, I like that, I wonder how it would look here. Like, way before I even think if I like something or I don't, I try and picture it in my house, because I feel like I just think about things way differently. That's like the most random thing ever, but hopefully you guys know what I mean when I say that. And then I also got these things. I pulled them out of the bag and laid them flat, because whenever I'm showing you guys stuff and there's like a rustling plastic bag, it just sounds like so annoying. So I got these for Chad. They're just like swim shorts, and they're a little bit shorter. It's not like super short, but just like a little bit shorter. And they're only $15, which I thought was like super cheap. And then I found this top, and it's an extra small. I haven't tried it on, so I really hope it fits, but it was only $13.99. This just has such a Topshop feel to me, and it's sort of hard to show you, but it's like a button-up shirt, and then it is like a different stripe on the back and on the bottom than it is up top. And there is a tie here for like cinching in the waist and tying a bow. I hope you guys can like sort of get an idea of what this would look like, but I just thought that was so cute and so Topshop-y. And then the back just looks like, you know, simple, but for just like a regular outfit on a weekday, I think it's cute, really versatile. I hope it fits. Hopefully it's not super windy and you guys can hear me, but we just got these guys and watered them, and they need to be planted obviously, but aren't they so pretty? These are peonies. It's like a purple peony. I don't know what these are called. And then I don't know what this is called. I'm so helpful, right? But I thought those are really cute. And then here is one of those flower boxes I was talking to you guys about. And it's been about a week or so, so they've gotten way more full, and I just think they're so pretty. I'm honestly obsessed with them. And I want to have flower boxes on like pretty much every window now in the whole house, because I just think it looks so cute. Hey guys, so today is Saturday. It's Saturday afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock, and I'm getting ready to go out for dinner with my husband and his friend who's staying with us tonight. They haven't seen each other in a while, so they've been hanging out all day, and I've been working all day on a few videos I was filming for a website. Sometimes I do like freelance videos for websites and for other channels on YouTube and stuff like that. And it is a ton of extra work, but I like doing it because the more I film videos, the better I get at it, like the better I get like on camera and editing and filming and all of that stuff. So I think it's worth it, at least for now, because I just want to get way better in all aspects of filming videos. So yeah. And I ordered, I think I talked to you guys about this, right? I ordered a bench for the end of our bed, and it's so pretty. It's available on a few different websites. So okay, first I should tell you what happened. So I ordered it and I didn't get a shipping confirmation or anything like that, or an email confirmation that I placed an order, which, no, I did get that. I just didn't get the shipping confirmation. So like a week later, I got an email that they oversold it and they didn't have any, so they were going to refund me. And then I went on the website and it was in stock. So I don't even know how that happened, but I was thinking that I would wait until next weekend because it's a holiday weekend, so a lot of websites have sales on holiday weekends, as I'm sure you guys know, and it's only like a week away. So I figured I would just wait and see if it's a little bit cheaper, but if not, I'll just buy it somewhere else. So I'm gonna put a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like, because I just think it's perfect for the end of our bed. And if you guys have been following for a while, then you know I've been looking for a bench there, or for such a long time. It's so dark in here, I can't even really tell how much bronzer I have on. Hopefully I look normal. And I'm just using this palette from Tarte. I will link the travel video I did. It was a pack with me, and I show you like all of the makeup products I use on a daily basis, and I love this palette from Tarte so much. Somebody commented on my last video that my hair looks so long and healthy, and I'm like, it's Luxie hair, like not my hair. And actually that's the perfect time to mention this, because sometimes you guys think I have eyelash extensions or I'm wearing strip lashes when I'm not, which I do wear strip lashes every once in a while. For the most part though, I use an Essence mascara, and Essence is from the drugstore. It's like extremely cheap. It's like Wet n Wild level. And it's called the False Lashes Mascara. It's the Dramatic Volume Unlimited, and it looks like this. It has the orange on the bottom. There's another one that looks like this with, I think it's like a lime green on the bottom. I don't even know what that one is, but the one I use has the orange. I really need a fake tan. Oh, I should show you that fake tanner. So I shared this on my Instagram. I think I saved it in my highlights. Yes, actually, I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, so this is by Fake Bake. It's called Flawless Darker. This is so good for the price. It's like $13 on Amazon. I will link it down below. It does come with a mitt. I've only used it, I think, 3 times by now. So yeah, it's pretty dirty, but you guys, this is so good. Okay, here's my second attempt at showing you my outfit. I just brought this mirror into the living room since it's really dark in my bedroom. It still looks dark on here. But I just got this mirror at HomeGoods last night. It was on sale for $55. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it still has like the stickiness on here, so ignore that. I just got it. I haven't gotten it off yet. But I got this shirt from Nordstrom Rack. It's been a while, so hopefully I can link something similar, but it's just easy. And then I got these jeans from Abercrombie. I showed these in my Style Blogger Look for Less spring video. And I have not shopped their jeans, or I haven't shopped there at all in several years. I would say at least like seven years, probably longer. But they have sales on their jeans every once in a while. And you guys, these were like $25, I think. And they're so comfortable. The quality is great. And I'm just like obsessed with their skinny jeans now. So I totally recommend them. And then I've had these Sam Edelman shoes. Let me zoom. I've had these Sam Edelman shoes for a while, at least since last year, and they're so comfortable. It's just like a teeny tiny heel, so I really like those guys. And then I'm also going to wear this new bag that I got. I did an unboxing video for this, and I just love it so much. I've been wearing it for only, I think I've had it for 2 weeks now, and you guys, I'm loving it.